Welcome to Music Workshop's Professional Development on Music and Wellbeing.
Hello, and welcome to our Music for Wellbeing course. I'm Cody Raven Morris, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this journey.
In order to maximize your learning experience, here is some information about the course that you may find helpful. The Materials tab of the course dashboard offers a comprehensive set of tools, including review materials, a glossary, worksheets, activities, and more. Each unit is broken down into subunits, starting with an introduction to the unit as a whole and how that unit applies to the overall topic of music for well-being. The left menu can be used at any time to revisit a prior topic, and the material in this course is intended to stay available to you as a reference for your continued learning after you've completed the course. Open text boxes for notes are at the bottom of most pages to list any interesting course content, questions, thoughts, feelings, and epiphanies that come up for you throughout your learning experience, which you can download when you finish the course and continue reflecting on what you've learned. Additionally, all units include a summary at the bottom of each instructional page. You will be guided through self-reflection exercises and activities across the different units to apply and reflect on your understanding of the material. You will be able to download your submissions and then receive more resources at the end of the course to continue your learning into the classroom and beyond. Although we have estimated the amount of time we think each reflection will take, you are not restricted to that time and can write for as long as you would like, as well as submit as many reflections to the same questions as you would like. Additionally, some information in the course is collapsed for visual ease while reading. Click on the title of a collapsed section to expand it for access to various extended information, graphics, review material, and summaries. Summary and review materials are indicated as such in their titles. Lastly, course content accessibility includes closed captioning available for all videos in the video player, while text-to-voice is also available on all pages with text, which can be found at the top right of the page. You can also use your browser settings to increase font size if desired.
We believe that the intersection of music and well-being in the teaching profession is such an important focus now and in the coming years. Your dedication to continued learning is truly admirable, and I have no doubt that the insights gained during this course will positively impact your role as an educator. We hope you leave this course feeling like you can support your students and yourself in healthier, more meaningful ways through music. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us at Music Workshop. We are always here to help and support you. Hey teachers, my name is Cody Raven Morris, and me and my friends at Music Workshop would love to share with you our Music and Wellbeing course.